Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I want to actually talk about how you can actually create your Binance account directly using your mobile phone, or you can literally follow the steps on your computer or the web application. With that being said, and without any further ado, I'll be jumping straight into my mobile phone right now to show you guys how you can actually create your Binance account and get it verified for your crypto savings or transactions, or literally anything concerning Binance. I'm literally going to be taking you from step by step how you can actually download this app, create the account, get it verified for yourself, that you can actually trade over $50,000 and every single day. Yeah, that's your limit. All right, so guys, with that being said, and without any further ado, let's jump into the video. All right guys, so welcome back to my phone. Right now, the first thing you've got to do is just go to your Google Play Store or go to your browser and search for Binance. So let's do that real quick. First off, as you can see here, I have Binance on my phone. I just really need to update the application. Let's update it, guys. Alright guys, so as you can see here, Binance application has been downloaded successfully. It has been updated. So let's open the application right now. I actually have an account on the application, but let's see if it would actually log me out. I don't know. All right, so as you can see here, I have already opened the application. The application has been opened right now on my phone, and I just click on this top button up here and I click on sign up. Let's click on sign up right now and see how it goes for us. So right now you just need to actually, as you can see here, it says sign up to get 100 USDT trading fee rebate. You can actually click the FAQ to check it out and know for yourself. Let's sign up with email. All right, so you just really need to put in our email address, and this is the email address I want to actually use, and I just put in my password right now, and then you can just come to the referral ID and put in the referral, as you can see in the screen right here. This code you can see, just put it up there right now, and thank you very much for doing that. And then after that, you just click on create personal account. As you can see here right now, it says email verification. Please enter the 6 digits verification code that was sent to the email. So I guess I've received the email right now, and there's a 6-digit code, 711849. You click on submit right now and wait for the prompt. As you can see here, it says email verified. Right now, that's literally how to create your account. So right now, account has been created successfully. Let's try to verify your account right now. As you can see here, deposit NGN is actually like grayed out because you haven't verified your account yet. So let's click on that profile up there, and then we click on this. But as you can see here, it says unverified. So let's click on this unverified, and then I'll just be showing you guys the prompts because I already have an account that has my details, so I don't really need to. You just click on the prompts right here, you click on OK, you'll click on the either you want the verified or the verified plus. Yeah, so as you can see here, the verified is actually a $50,000 limit every single day, as I said earlier in this video. And you actually have the P2P transaction limit is unlimited, and crypto limit is actually 8 million BUSD. And let's click on start now. Review time will be 2 days for you, and then you can actually use personal information like government ID or facial recognition, and also your information. So let's click on start now, guys. All right, so first off, you click on this nationality. After clicking on nationality, right now you click on your country, as you can see it there. You type in your legal names. You can actually leave the middle name if you wish. It depends on how it is on your ID. So let's click on date of birth right now, and then just put in your date of birth and your month and day. Okay, after that you just go to continue. You put in your full address. After that, you can actually go to Google to check out for your postal code. Abuja. Click on continue, guys, and then let's go. Alright, so after that, as you can see here, it says you should actually put in your BVN or your national identification number, or even your ID card or passport, or your driver's license. So choose the one which you want to actually go for. So as I said earlier, I have an account. I don't really need to put in my ID on this account. So that's just it for this video. Just click on it, and then you click on bank, you click on continue. Enter your bank verification number, which is your BVN. Just enter it right now, and after that you click on this check mark, and then you click on continue, and within 24 hours your account will be successfully verified. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys when you see me. Peace.